Start by creating a vendor profile. From the left sidebar, go to Purchase Vendor. Fill in the vendor's name, email, phone number, TIN number, and business registration details if available. Example, vendor ABCSDNBHD. Email support@abv.com.my. Contact +61 22 334 567. Next, switch to the Address tab and complete the address information. When finished, click Save. Now go back to the main menu. Click on Purchase in the sidebar, recording an expense entry. To log business expenses such as rent or utilities, go to Purchase Expenses, then click Add Expense Entry. Set the entry type to Expense Entry, select the posting date, and choose the vendor. Scroll down to Accounting Entries, add a row with the expense category, and enter the amount under debit and credit. Click Save to complete. We encourage you to explore our full video series to learn more about using Invoix.biz. Our team is ready to support you. Thank you for choosing Invoix.biz, your trusted solution for efficient, compliant, and professional business management.